यो यो यायान्तनुं भक्तः श्रद्धयार्चितुमिच्छति तस्य तस्याचलां श्रद्धां तामेव विदधाम्यहम्. In this verse, Lord Krishna states that whatever form of the divine a devotee worships with faith, he provides them with unwavering faith in that form. This verse emphasizes that sincere devotion, regardless of the form, is recognized and nurtured by Krishna. Sataya Shraddhaya Yuktas तस्याराधनमीहते लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हितान्. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains that a devotee endowed with faith in a chosen form of God worships that deity sincerely. As a result of their devotion, they attain their desired goals, which are ultimately granted by Krishna. This verse highlights that sincere worship in any form leads to the fulfillment of desires, reminding us of Krishna's omnipresence in all devotion. Antavattu phalan तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains that the rewards obtained from worshipping deities are temporary and limited for those of lesser intelligence. In contrast, his devotees who worship him attain a permanent and ultimate destination. This verse emphasizes the superiority of devotion to Krishna, highlighting that true and lasting fulfillment comes from seeking him rather than temporary gains. Avyaktam vyaktimaapannam manyate mama buddhayah param bhavamajananto mamavyayyamanuttamam. In this verse, Lord Krishna points out that those of limited understanding perceive him as a form that can be seen and understood. They fail to recognize his supreme, imperishable nature, which is beyond all forms and material manifestations. This verse emphasizes the importance of recognizing Krishna's true, transcendent nature beyond the physical realm, encouraging deeper understanding among devotees. Naham prakashas sarvasya योगमाया समावृतः मूढो यन्नाभिजानाति लोको मामजमव्ययम्. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains that he is not visible to everyone because he is covered by his divine energy. The ignorant do not recognize him as the eternal, imperishable being. This verse emphasizes that true knowledge and realization of Krishna require spiritual insight, which allows one to see beyond the material world. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani charjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mantu vedana kaschana. In this verse, Lord Krishna reveals to Arjuna that he knows the past, present and future of all beings. However, despite this knowledge, no one truly understands him. This verse highlights Krishna's omniscience and emphasizes the importance of seeking deeper understanding to recognize his divine essence. Ichchadvesha samuddhena dvandvamohena bharata sarvabhutani sammoham sarge yanti parantapa. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains that all beings are deluded by dualities such as desires and aversions, which arise from the confusion of their nature. This confusion leads them into ignorance during creation. This verse emphasizes the challenges posed by emotional attachments and the need for wisdom to overcome delusion and realize one's true self. Eshantvantagatam papai jananam punyakarmanam ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ता भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः. In this verse, Lord Krishna states that those who have overcome their sins through righteous actions and have been freed from the delusion of dualities worship him with determination and steadfastness. This verse emphasizes the importance of righteous actions in achieving clarity and devotion, enabling individuals to connect deeply with Krishna. Jara marana mokshaya मामाश्रित्य यतन्ति ये ते ब्रह्म तद्विदुःकृत्स्नम् अध्यात्मं कर्म चाखिलम्. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains that those who seek refuge in him and strive for liberation from the cycle of birth, old age and death understand the essence of spiritual truth. they also grasp the entirety of spiritual knowledge and actions. This verse highlights the relationship between seeking refuge in Krishna and attaining a comprehensive understanding of spirituality leading to liberation. साधिभूताधिदैवं मां साधियज्ञै च ये विदुः प्रयाणकालेऽपि च मां ते विधिर्युक्तचेतसः. In this verse, Lord Krishna explains that those who understand Him as the essence of all beings, the supreme among sacrifices, and who are steadfast in their devotion, know Him even at the time of death. This verse emphasizes the importance of spiritual knowledge and devotion, which allows individuals to connect with Krishna at the most critical time of life.